to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Roblox. I just recently bought a new, today we are going to be playing Adopt Me. Recently I just bought a new house, so let's go outside and, deal with my house. I bought this house and I really want to go see if it's the Valentine's Day update. I don't think there's a Valentine's Day update because there's a Valentine's Day themed thing over there, but I gotta go see if there's a Valentine's Day update because I didn't see yet, so I don't know if there is. And if there's not, I'm gonna be so sad. I've been waiting on the Valentine's Day update for I don't know how long. Okay, it's this way. Apparently, it's that way. So let's go get in my human bubble. Yeah, we turn. Wait, is it the Valentine's Day update? It's an update for sure, I can tell that. Well, probably not an update or something. It's probably it's some sort of update for sure, I know that. Wait, did I arrive? Am I there? Let's really pop the invitation. Is this the place? The rain shop? I don't know if this is the rain shop. Is this the rain shop? It looks like the rain shop. Oh my goodness. I need neon one of those. Okay, how much bucks is it? 500 bucks and I only have 192. So let's save up for 4 ocelots. Wait, what? What are you up there? As you can tell, I love cats. Talk to Abby. Oh, pirate parrot. Okay. I'm collecting our colorful feathers for our art project. Wait, what? Captain Fluffy. Hey ho. Great to meet you in this fog. Welcome to our portable rainforest. Grab some gear and explore. This town is real beauty, She looking mighty from the shore. Listen here. Ye look in the crew. Lucky ye. Travel with the best ocelots and parrots and pirating world has to ever offer. But wait. It's a natural minute. Are they ye be telling the truth, eh? Old Bonnie's anchored on this island, I gotta say, boy, to my pirates, your sister. Bye-bye now. Okay, tame a Amazon. Okay, that costs Robux, so I can't tame a parrot without Robux. And I need... Okay, I guess I'm going, and I will come back later when I have the money. So this is the rain shop place, so now I know how to get there. This is actually a pretty nice place. It's like the lake, I'm assuming it's just gotten really rainy or something, I don't know. I'm assuming we can get one of the ships or something. We could buy a ship, I'm assuming. We can buy an old sailboat. Or we could buy gallon. I think it'd look pretty cool if I got one of these. So I'm going to save up for one of those too. When's the update leaving is my question. Because I don't know when the update's leaving. If it leaves today, I'm going to be mad. Okay, let's go check out this shop up here. Like, I haven't seen this update. So if this is like a regular update, I haven't seen it before, so. Okay. Ooh. This is not working. So it costs $300. Buy rain stick. Okay. View spyglass. View parrot hood. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I need that. I need you too. I need this and that. That's what I want. Okay, and then, ooh, there's one of these, like, things that have the fairy wings. How much is that? $1,013. Okay. I love all of these. We could get a...
I don't know. I mean, if she did email it to one of us and we just don't know about it.
Okay.
I mean, we're still happy to...
I want all of these. Yeah, I want to buy all of these. They're such adorable toys, and then I could trade them a lot. So I'm going to get all of them.
You can check with her and find out if it's still something.
Okay, now my pet is tired. I also might need some more vehicles, so...
Thank you. Yeah, I'm not... I mean, there's one lady that I know
I'm in trouble. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so, if you haven't already, please like... Oof. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to join the Corgi Club. And while I drive in the creek. Okay, so I was thinking, can I feed you now? Like, can I feed you right now? Okay, so I was thinking that you guys could do like a catalog video, so like comment numbers on one of my YouTube shorts, and I could use that for a YouTube video. Now, I forgot. Wait, never mind. I do have water. Oh, so did you not get to go eat it? Did you not get to go eat it? Because, like, just waiting on my pet to finish eating. There we go. Okay, we have $500 now, so we can go get an ocelot. We are really saving up. We really need to save up a lot of money to get everything we want. So, this video might get a little bit long. I'm gonna just sit. Okay, that's just hilarious. I put it in the wrong direction. Didn't even notice that because I haven't sat in it yet. Now let's sit in it. There we go. Okay, let's pick you up. I'm working on this room. I ran out of money by the time I finished putting the vets in there. I was doing a Japan theme. There's nothing in here. I don't know my way around my house. I need to label the doors. Don't I? Like, do I need to, like, label the doors so I can remember what they are? Then in here was the bathroom, right? No, this was not the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Like, I need to take the glowing sign or something, color it red, and then put, like, or yellow or something, and put, like, bathroom, shower. Like, put bathroom, bedroom, pet room, something like that. Okay, now let's go to the playground. I know this is the wrong door. Okay, I don't know how I ended up upstairs. So let's pick up my pet and get riding. Okay. We might actually need to, like, survive on it. Just, like, out in the open, like, go get, like, some, like, my goal for today is to get just a few stuff. Oh, I should go get on my alt account later and do something. In my next video, you'll probably get a video of me doing my alt account thing and Adopt Me. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Meow, monk. Meow. Okay. I want one of those. Okay, let's trade people. Okay, let's accept. Okay. Okay, what would you like to trade? What would you like to add? Let me just... Griffin. I don't think I really want one of those. Any free pets? Okay. I'm gonna ask any free pets. Okay. Guess I'll add. Then it's okay. I don't want to trade my bears. I'll just put sure. Don't friend me. Don't friend me. My addict. Okay, I'll just tell him okay. I'll just create a family and add Stitch. This is Stitch. Stay here. Stitch. You still. There you go. Thank you. Okay. So, I was wondering, like, I want the Valentine's update to hurry up and get here. Okay. I'm biting my finger. Let's go to the house. So let's reset our character because this is the fast way to get there. And let's go through a wall. So let's go find a random room. Perhaps right here. No, I kind of want to put stuff in a room. This room would be nice to put stuff in. Like, okay, let's edit the house. Stuff. Let's get a Japanese chair. So let's get a bench. Okay, now I'm also gonna have to wait for pet needs. Great. And then let's buy just a chair. Just a regular chair to put on the other side. Right there. Okay, let's stop editing and let's sit in that house, and then let's work on this. Zoom out. Hello. Okay. Okay, I'm working on it. No. It's gonna take a while. Might have to cut this out. Never mind. I'll do it later. Okay, now my pet's thirsty. Now it's gonna be sleepy in just a moment. Let's lock my house. So you told you. So I'll go to sleep. Why is my head stuck in the pillow? That's my question. Okay, I think it slept well. I think it's fine. I think my pet's okay. Okay, so let's actually go out and, like, maybe we could, like, host, like, a party and ask if we could. I always go through that door. Let's ask, like, let's throw a party. Free pet sitting. Free pet sitting. Just come. Okay, so there's a lot of people on this server, so let's just put our pet down. Let's put her down. Let's put my leopard cat down. And just stand here like that. Let's actually get out a stroller, so we're like already ready to pet sit. Oh, hello. Okay, get out your pet. Come on, give me the pet. Invite to family. Send invitation. Come on. No, you are supposed to come to my house. Okay, give me pet. The whole point of coming here. The whole point of coming here is to, you know. Okay, I'm trade. And okay, I'm actually like decline the trade. Pick up the pet. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Was your pet? That's all I wanted. Is it this door? No, it's not that door. It's this door then. Oh, hello.
Get the other funeral parts
Stay
over?
still. Stay still. Part to family. Part to family.
Oh, Emma.
Okay. Let me pick up your pet first, ma'am. Thank you. This is not the bathroom. This is not the bathroom. I have lost the bathroom. I have lost my bathroom. I have seriously lost my bathroom. Here's my bathroom. I have lost my bathroom. I don't know how many times. The cat. Oh, did she steal her pet? Did she sit down or something? It's like when you sit in a car, it takes the pet from you.
No, I'm just
Look, join my family.
printing them. I'm just like, if I printed color, I'm just trying to look and see if I
Let's just go. Get rid of that. Let's just go. Where did
if
she
we're
go?
just doing printing of 500 two-sided.
Like, ma'am, where are you? Let's just go to school. Let's just go to school. I don't care where she went. Let's just go to school.
If we were doing on here, not no bleed or anything, but I don't remember. It's just printing 500 color two-sided.
I'm working on getting more pets since I'm good, like making a bunch of neons now. Like I've been making neons, but I haven't been able to get that many neons. So it's like I'm working on neons a lot. So
Was you walking out made me remember I needed to release it.
at this point, yeah. No. Oh, so I can put down the. I can put down the thing. Let's put it down right here.
Okay. Let me do a
$20
proof of this
per
real
hot
quick.
dog.
I was trying to prove them both, make sure. Mango, pepperoni,
Oh,
and then I was.
okay. The pet's gone. Hey, Abby.
I don't feel like if I did. I don't know if I quoted some full color yesterday, then.
You did just do poppings or
Ho,
something.
ho, ho. I'm gonna just become a baby.
Well,
She didn't have anything written down, she just remembered your name.
okay. Well,
I need to be a baby, because, you know.
If we talk groceries, usually I would tell them, you know, if we're doing here, you have to add on so much for folding, and it just kind of depends on the quantity. The 500, I don't know what it default to, but I know like,
Let's trade her.
oh, that released
Let's
when you
trade
sent it over.
Stitch. Okay,
because
I'm
it
going
didn't
to
hold. So
add
I'm setting it up to print right now. Did
a
it
unwanted
look okay?
pet. What pet do I not want? I don't want the dog. I want the dog because I'm making a new one. I already have that. I already have that. Tweet me. Come on, people.
Something weird.
No, I think
Okay.
Wait.
I don't know what it was in your Corel file, but something was causing it to error.
No, I'm thirsty, so I need to go get some water. Hello? Trade? Please? Please? People? I trade with you all? Can I trade? Can I stand on this dude? Can I stand on this dude? Okay, let me trade you. Oh, come on, you only trade with friends. Really? Really? Oh, I put you on the water. Oh, okay. What's the dolphin doing? What is wrong with the dolphin?
two examples.
Oh.
What's
Oh,
wrong
yours
with
is
the
not trading on that
dolphin?
paper?
Yeah, that is the first one.
I'm trading the otter.
Okay,
His
his
came
I
out first. and I
Please,
picked it
no,
up,
I don't want the dolphin.
Okay,
and that's there.
okay. No, those were
Don't
hers. His was
want
coming out as approved, but it
that.
came out on the wrong paper. Okay.
Let's just pick you up. Let's go. Trading you. I'm just gonna add the otter. Something, please. No, not free. It's not free.
They wanted to-
Like when I add something, unless I say free, it is not free. Don't accept the friend. Don't accept the trade. It's not like I'm trading it for free, unless like I tell you it's free, or I do something like that saying it's free or something like that. I'm gonna just trade you. I'm gonna trade you.
Right after this one.
And I'm gonna trade you. Okay, so let's add our otter. Something, please. Okay, we're
Oh, thanks to that lady. That's assuming there's no meat on it.
maybe two,
If we were doing them on regular terms, currently, you know, not in house. it's also-
maybe two commons. Two common. Two common. Highlight the two common. Two common for my. Okay, I can't move. Okay. Am I hungry now? I'm hungry, of course. I'm actually gonna try to edit the videos, like actually try, like film the videos one day and then get home, edit them, and then post them. But I'm gonna schedule some of them. I want some pets. I want some pets. I want pets. Thank you. It's for what? What is for what? They don't say up here. I'm leaving. I don't care. I'm leaving. I don't want anything anymore. I don't want nothing. Now we need to go camping. Okay, I need more vehicles. Like, I need to buy more vehicles. Like, for sure. Like, 100%. I need to buy more vehicles. I need to get some Robux for my birthday. Like, every birthday, like, for some of my birthdays, I might get some Robux and stuff. Like, people might... I don't want to go rogue. I'm not trying to go rogue. Please. Help. Help! Okay, the road is gone. I guess I'll just go on my own. Let's just hurry up. Let's just go. I want to hurry up. I want to just hurry. Okay, we're here. Then let me go to sleep. Okay. Well, let's just go eat a marshmallow. Let's just eat a marshmallow. Let's just take a bunch of marshmallows. Stock up on food. Okay, I don't know how many of those we have. Then we just need to go get some drinks from somebody's house. Since my house doesn't have drinks anymore. So I'll have to go ask some, just go kidnap somebody's house and get some drinks from it. Because my house doesn't have drinks yet, because I've already said that. Thanks. Must be black. Really? What? Huh? That guy must have been really stole it from me. Great. Okay, I want to make a neon dog. I just want neons out of common pets or rare pets or something like that. If I get a blue dog or a blue, some sort of type of dog, common pets that you find in your house, real pets. I just want to make a neon out of everything. When I get a multiple of it, either I will trade it or make a neon out of it. Which is what I'm going to do. Of course we have to go to, this horrible place. I don't like their music here. Okay, who's hungry? My cat. Okay. Take a marshmallow. I don't know why you're eating the stick. Oh, come on. You're sick now. Eat it. Okay. I'm just waiting to finish this. We're almost to $600, which is kind of good. I'm probably just going to film for a long time. Oh. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to need to end this video right now. I'll do a part 2 of this. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!